Hello everyone. In my previous video I did a explanation on how I designed and made this water bottle holder. So on this video I'd like to make a separate attachment for a banana like that, or two bananas, or a chocolate bar like that. So then you've got an option between any sort of snack that you'd like when you're cycling around. So I would like it to use those two bolt holes that I've got there. So you just remove that and put on your optional extra. It should be simple enough. So that's what I'd like to do today. So let's get to it. Right, because I've had some time away from the project, my bananas went off, so I bought some new ones, and these are a different size, so that creates some problems. So what I want to do with this is split that down the middle, and then make it be able to slide in and out, so then you can take that one off and put a bigger one on for a bigger type of banana. So this project is beginning to get a bit more complicated than I was hoping, but I can't really cater using just one part for various different bananas. I'm going to have to make it switchable and interchangeable. So I'm going to design that now. So this is what I've come up with. It's got two different sliding parts that fit in. So this is a larger one for your wider bananas, and the other one is for your smaller bananas. So as you can see here, it can flick from side to side. So what I want to do is make a bottom cup that can fit on the end, so then it holds the banana in place. But also it doesn't actually need to be that far along. It can be further up like that, so then it uses less material, and also it means that when you put the drinks holder on the other side, it can fit in without hitting that part of the frame. The sliding in bits are a little bit too movable, so I want to make that tolerance a bit better. I also want to put some extra strengthening on the actual water bottle holder part, because at the moment that can wobble. So all of these I will cover in the next video. I need to just do some tweaks really. What I would also want to test in the next one is I've got some elastic. I want to make some holes there and across the other side and put some elastic across and see if that'll make it any easier for not only holding different sizes of bananas, but also holding a chocolate bar like that. I feel that'll be better than having to interchange loads of different parts, and also making a little flick at the bottom here, so then you can hold your chocolate bar, and then when you have your banana, it goes over that part, so it doesn't really affect it that much. So I want to do that in the next video, so join me with that. Thank you very much for watching.